We developed an AI-powered AR assistant to support job training, especially for autistic and neurodivergent individuals. Imagine having a supportive coach guiding you through customer interactions in real time. That's what our system aims to do. Customer service can be overwhelming. Reading social cues can be difficult for employees on the spectrum. Finding the right words and managing unexpected questions adds to the challenge. These factors may make it harder to thrive in customer-facing roles. Here's how it works. The trainee wears AR glasses during customer interactions. Our system captures the customer's speech through microphones, uses voice activity detection to identify human speech, and sends that information to the GPT-4o engine. The AI analyzes the context, understanding the customer's expression, purpose, and action, then generates clear, step-by-step guidance that appears directly in the AR display. In our demo, we include 2 job-related scenarios. In these scenarios, the user will play the role of an employee to converse with someone to fulfill their requests or address their problems. We invite you to experience this yourself. You can try on the AR glasses and participate in a simulated customer service scenario. You'll see firsthand how real-time guidance appears without disrupting the natural flow of conversation. This technology creates more inclusive workplaces by empowering employees with different cognitive abilities to excel in customer service roles. We're excited to show you how assistive technologies can build confidence and support neurodivergent individuals. This research project is still in progress. We are looking forward to sharing more details with you in the near future.